Hey guys, today we're going to be making 7-Up Cheesy Bacon Biscuits. So stay tuned and let's make this together. Okay, to make this, I want my biscuits to taste just like it was breakfast. I want that bacon flavor. So you're going to have to get a bacon that says hickory, natural hickory smoke, or anything that says hickory smoked. Okay, I got my raw hickory bacon. You can do thick or thin. I'm using the regular bacon. It's not the thick cut at all. Okay, most people get a pan. You can cook it on the stove. I like to cook mine in the oven. That's why I got a pan and I sprayed it. I want this to fry in the oven. So 355-degree oven. I'm going to give these about 25 minutes. Nice and crispy bacon. Nice and crispy. Okay, this is the bacon that I cooked early, and I'm chopping these up so I can get it in my food processor so I can get an evening chop, and it's crunchy, and it's just the way I want it. And this is what I'm looking for. Yay! I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter into a bowl, into the microwave, and let's completely melt this. In a large bowl, I'm going to need 2 cups of Bisquick. I've got my little whisk here, and I'm just going to whisk this up. This is the 1/3 cup of bacon. This is a 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Okay, so I'm just going to mix all of this inside of my mixture. Okay, guys, this is a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Don't forget, guys, these are Be Sure 7-Up Bacon Cheese Biscuits. You're going to love them, your family, your guests. So let's stir in that sour cream. So we're going to stir in the sour cream and make sure we get that evenly incorporated as well. And that is going to be a good task to just smash that all in there. We don't really want to overwork our biscuits because we don't want them too flaky where you can't cut them. And that's the big deal. You don't want that. Okay, I've got my 1/2 cup of 7-Up right here, and I've got 1 tablespoon of the liquid gold. What I mean by liquid gold is this is a little bit of that bacon grease that was dripping, and we got that and we added there just to give it a little bit more flavor. A little quick stir with the liquid gold, which is the bacon grease, just 1 tablespoon, and then my 1/2 cup of 7-Up. We're going to pour this all over into our mixture. That's going to be good. Mix it up, guys. Okay, so I want to make sure I incorporate them good. So it's going to be a little wet, and what we're going to do is going to start adding a little bit more of my Biscuit because we got to make them dry. So what we're going to do is take a little bit more. I say this is, get a 1/2 cup on the side, and you want to keep stirring it until you find that perfect way you can pick up the biscuits without them sticking all to your hand. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of the Bisquick. Never get the flour. Just use what you made it with because it's going to come out a little bit better. We're going to spread it all over and peel all this out. Yeah. We're just going to pat it on the board. We're going to pat these down. Okay, I've got a glass pie shell baking dish. It works fine. These are going to set in here. I've got this 2 tablespoons of butter that I'm just going to put all in here. I sprayed it with nonstick spray just in case because I wanted them to slide out very easily. And I'm just going to take that butter, the 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to put it all over the pan. Then I've got me a biscuit cutter. So I'm going to go and I'm going to cut out these biscuits. Oh, yeah. Make them the perfect cut. Oh, yeah. Like Kool-Aid guy. Oh, yeah. But I'm the biscuit lady. Oh, yeah. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to cut perfectly round biscuits. Don't forget, guys, it's got a surprise inside of these biscuits. I'm going to pull them out. And I'm going to lay them into this butter. One of them I kind of got a little bit. But yeah, look at this. Oh yeah. There's 6 beautiful biscuits. Got my little brush here and that wonderful grease, just banking grease, just a little bit. This is not a healthy dish. I'm telling you that right now because we're using the bacon grease and the bacon's in it. We're just gonna lightly brush it to give it a nice little gold. 325 to 15 or 20 minutes. Let's pop these in the oven, and the oven was already preheated. Let's go. See you later. All right. These biscuits are done. Look at these. Oh, now that is a biscuit. Let's bring them out and let's let them cool down. Okay, I'm going to pull one of my biscuits. Look at that biscuit, guys. I'm going to set that big biscuit down. And this biscuit doesn't need anything but what I want it to have inside of this biscuit. I've got me a knife and I'm just going to cut right through this biscuit and showing you all that biscuit. Look at that. That is a moist and delicious biscuit. In a small bowl, I'm going to crack 1 large egg. Okay, we're going to add a pinch of table salt, or you can add a tablespoon of milk, some black cracked pepper, just a little bit. And now we need to beat this up. Let's go to the stove. A quick spray of nonstick spray, a little olive oil. Before you lay your egg in here, you want to beat it up. Then you want to lay it in here and you want to make sure you don't want to get it in a very hot pan, but you want to get it in a pan where it's cooking. Okay, you want to make sure this cooks good. A square piece of American cheese, making a little packet. You know, you just want a little packet. You want to melt that cheese inside your egg. Come home, be sure to cook. And here is your omelet. And look at here, guys. That is your melted cheese. And here you go. 7-Up in a get a glass of 7-Up and have 7-Up Cheesy Bacon Biscuits. Here is my 7-Up Cheesy Bacon Biscuits, and I got a glass of 7-Up to wash it down. These biscuits are delicious, and it's fun to make for the kids, and it's fun to have over as friends. Have your friends over, make breakfast or brunch, and I guarantee you they're going to get a kick out of eating this. This is nice. Hey guys, I want you to please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guess what? I didn't make these cheesy bacon biscuits alone. Cheesy 7-Up bacon biscuits alone. You and me, we did this together, and we can make plenty more. Hey, come back next time so we can make new adventures on different foods and make it so exciting. Bye.